In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in Shopify. We'll walk through bringing an image into your Shopify files library and then attaching it to a product so everything displays cleanly on your storefront. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. If you land on the themes area, that's fine. Follow the highlighted area in your admin and click Home to return to your main dashboard so you can access all sections easily. Next, open Products from the left-hand menu. If you see a small accessibility link that says Skip to Content, click it to jump directly to the main area of the page. You may see that link again. Go ahead and click Skip to Content once more if it appears, just to keep your focus where you need it. Now move to your Content area in the left navigation. Inside Content, select Files. This is your central library for images, PDFs, and other assets. Click Upload Files, then choose the image or images from your computer. Give Shopify a moment to process them. You'll see them appear in the library once they're uploaded. A quick tip: use clear file names and high-resolution JPG or PNG files that aren't overly large. This helps with organization, load speed, and consistent quality across your store. With your files uploaded, head back to Products. Click Add Product to create a new product, or open an existing one if you're updating something you already have. In the Product Editor, look for the Media section. If the image is still on your device and not yet in Files, click Upload New and select it from your computer. If you already uploaded it to Files, click Select Existing. A picker will open showing your library. Click the image you want so it's clearly selected or highlighted. Once you've made your choice, click Done to add it to the product. Take a quick moment to confirm the image looks correct in the preview. If you added multiple images, drag to reorder them so your best photo appears first. Consistent cropping and backgrounds help your store look professional, and square images often work well with most Shopify themes. When everything looks right, click Save in the top corner of the product page. That's it. You've uploaded your image to Shopify and attached it to a product. If you're planning to add more products, repeating this flow is the fastest way to keep your catalog tidy. Upload to Files for reuse, or upload new directly from the product page.